In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use My Tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredible tool for managing your workload and staying organized. Whether you're working on team projects or individual tasks, it's designed to adapt to your workflow today. We'll focus on how to set up and customize the My Tasks hub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized task management system that keeps you on top of everything you need to accomplish. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your ClickUp account. You can use your email address or a connected provider, depending on how you've set up your account. After logging in, double-check that you're in the right space. To do this, look at the top left corner of the global navigation bar. You'll see the Space and Workspace selector there. Make sure you've selected the space where you want to organize your tasks. Next, click on either Home or My Work from the left-hand rail. This will take you to the My Tasks hub, which is where we'll be focusing. This is your central location for managing all your assignments and to-dos. Now that you're in the My Tasks hub, it's time to make it work for you. You can rearrange and resize the cards on the page to fit your workflow. Simply drag and drop the cards into the layout that feels the most intuitive for how you work. Once you've set up the layout, start adding and organizing cards. Some useful ones to include are Assigned to Me, Lineup, and Agenda. These cards will help you keep track of tasks assigned to you, prioritize what's most important, and plan your schedule. For an even more efficient setup, drag the cards that reflect your daily action items to the top row. These could be tasks that need immediate attention, then move any reference or less urgent cards lower down on the page. This way, your most critical tasks are always front and center. Another great feature to enable is the personal list. This is perfect for capturing quick notes, errands, or spur-of-the-moment ideas that don't quite fit into a formal task yet. As your ideas evolve, you can promote items from your personal list into formal tasks. Simply move them into the appropriate space when they become actionable pieces of work. Here's a cool tip. You can type Add Brain in the comments section of a thread to activate ClickUp Brain. This feature will help you summarize conversations or automatically generate action items based on the discussion. To keep everything running smoothly, dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day to reviewing your My Work section. During this time, update the statuses of your tasks and reprioritize your lineup as needed. This small daily habit can make a big difference in staying organized. When managing due dates, only assign them to tasks that are truly executable. This helps you avoid unnecessary clutter and prevents alerts from piling up. Finally, make sure you're using the right statuses for your tasks. Use a done status for completed items that are still awaiting review and a closed status for those that are fully finished and archived. Keeping these statuses updated ensures your workspace stays clear and easy to navigate. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.